If you can't find the more option in the Instagram's sensitive content control, it's usually due to your age, account settings, or problems with the app. So here are some solutions. First, you need to check your age on your Instagram account. So Instagram hides the more option for users under 18. So open Instagram, go to your profile. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings and activities section. Then select your information and permissions and view your personal details. Ensure that your age is set to 18 or older. And if your account is set as a teen account, the more option will be hidden. So you also need to go ahead and verify your age if Instagram flagged you. Instagram might automatically flag your account as a teen account. So go to settings and activities section. Then after, search for family center or supervision. Here you'll get the option of supervision for teen accounts. Go ahead and select it. And from here, you need to verify your age using your ID or a selfie. Many users have reported that the more option appears after verifying their age. And you also need to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then simply search for Instagram application. Then after, if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest version. And then go ahead and clear the cache. Tap and hold onto the Instagram application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Then scroll down, select storage and click on clear cache. Come back. If none of the solutions work, try uninstalling the application, restart your phone and reinstall Instagram, and this can fix many missing setting issues. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.